I know right now things seem a little chaotic and frightening, and I'm talking to you here about doing exactly what I'm doing, and that's getting a different perspective. This land right here, all of this water is coming directly out of this land. And when you spend enough time with nature and you've done enough mushrooms and you start to listen and you realize that these things can give you knowledge and information, then you know that this land has information and it's feeding this water right here with that information and that knowledge. These rocks have their knowledge and information, and when you lay on them, you can feel the power in it. And if you learn how to listen, you can feel the knowledge and the wisdom in it. And I'm not saying that you have to get out to wild places like this. I'm saying that when you can pull yourself away from human stories and human shenanigans and the bullshit, and you can get away from it enough, what you can find then is a different point of view and a different perspective. And sometimes that's all you need. When you talk to a friend or someone that you trust and they give you a different perspective, you see how it shifts your understanding? This can also give you a different perspective and a different, deeper understanding. The same way that mushrooms can do for you. And what I'm going to ask you to do is please take that Amanita Power course. It's free. It's always been free. I can't charge for stuff like that. It's important and it's necessary. I don't just give you stuff and say, hey, you should do it. I'm not creating content. I'm truly coming from my heart and saying, these are the things I'm doing and I'm sharing them with you. And these are the things the mushrooms tell me to do. This is the stuff that the land teaches me. How could I not share it with you? Right?